Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can install rbtv77 app on your Firestick or Android TV box. So for that, you have to follow all these steps. So first of all, install the downloader app on your streaming device. You can install this downloader app by downloading APK file from any Google Play Store or any browser and install into your device. Once you install downloader, then just simply open the downloader and in search just type rbtv77.com and click go. Now when you open the official website of rbtv77, then locate the TV option on the menu and click it. That will prompt the download for the TV optimized version of the app. Wait for this application to download. Once it's downloaded, then just simply click on install and this app will be installed in your TV. Thank you for watching.